Hey, my name is Shawnshawn. I sell art on shawnshawn.co. Today we're going to react to an artist called MadC. What is she mad about? So this is a German street artist who converted to more fine art style. Looking at her YouTube channel, she has a nice little detail of one of her large murals as kind of the background. She has a link to MadC TV, which is her website, and Facebook. For her profile, she has kind of a picture of herself with her art in the background, so that's pretty strong. You might want to be a little closer, but you can tell it's kind of graffiti, so that's really strong. You know what kind of work she does. Looking at the webpage, she doesn't have an intro, so that would be stronger if she had an intro. She just has uploads, created playlists, and MadC videos by others. So there's other people that have, she collabed with, and they have a video of her. So I think she can make a lot more playlists and kind of break that out into like street art, trains, murals, maybe painting if she does painting as well, and kind of break that up. I think that might be a little stronger. So let's go to the first video. It's called MadC the Jurassic Park Wall. That's our kind of Jurassic Park style, which is really cool. Very cool font, builds a lot of drama, attention. So large wall. So she's doing a really fast time lapse with cuts in between the time lapse, so it's even faster. It's typical graffiti style. They don't usually introduce themselves, they just start painting. So this is kind of like, and it's an older video, 8 years old, so. Really nice detail shot there. So she has really nice detail shots of doing really close up to the mural, as well as someone video her from afar while she's going up on the crane. So very nice detail shots. Let's skip ahead a little bit here, guys. So you can tell most graffiti artists never get to this level of realistic painting. With graffiti spray paint, it's extremely difficult. She has a lot better materials than you did maybe in the 70s, 80s, but it's just like, wow, you see it's mind-blowing. And she has a nice tribute to Dare, one of the artists that she probably worked with. Usually a graffiti artist, sometimes they do that, so tributes to fallen graffiti artists, or maybe people are dating, but I'm not sure if it's that or, he might have died. That's very common in graffiti, that people fall to their death. This one is called MadC the Jersey City Mural. So a lot of really fast jump cuts here. Besides, it's mostly painting in real time, maybe speed up a little bit. And a lot of fast jump cuts, really cool music, obviously. Yeah, it's just like, man, if you paint this large, you're just going to be famous forever, you know, until that mural's destroyed. It's just super amazing. Very dramatic, but you can see your total of her skills as a painter with spray paint. The next one is called MadC the Splatter Wall. So this is still a mural, but it's more closer to graffiti. She's actually done real graffiti, obviously. Super intense red there. Yeah, nice deep aquamarine. It's like, really makes it pop there. But it's so interesting because normally if you do a normal painting on canvas, use black. It's really hard to get the colors to stick on top of the black. The black will just soak up the color and it'll look really dark. So it's pretty impressive if you get the colors to pop in graffiti like this with the black on top, on bottom. Again, she's kind of mixing up time lapse mixed with jump cuts, and then mixed with kind of cuts like that. So different editing styles here to get this look. But it's just amazing she's getting those cloud effects in graffiti. It's like, wow. She's using something called transparent spray paint, so it gets that kind of a little bit more see-through, but it's still like, man, she did that with graffiti paint? That's insane. Spray paint. See, it's super badass. Let's cut to the end here. So that's the video. Now we'll go to the website. Obviously, MadC TV. She has art and street, so that's kind of cool. So we can check out her art and see what she does on her art side. So she has kind of these little pops you can just pull into. 2019 is pretty old, actually. There's nothing from 2021, 2022. So it makes you wonder what's, going on with the artist. Maybe she's taking time off. I'm not sure. So that's pretty nice and slick. Let's go check out the other side here. Got street art. So she's obviously going to show street view, obviously. Yeah, so 2019 is her last big mural. So I'm just wondering what happened with MadC. I'm not sure. Sometimes artists that just kind of abandon their website and then they go to Instagram or Facebook or something weird like that. So she has Instagram. Let's see. Maybe she just got bored with the website. I'm not sure, because some people just use their website as kind of a gallery, so they don't really sell much off there. Okay, so this is, let's see when this is from. So I think she's posting mostly on Instagram, Facebook, and she's not really updating her website too frequently, which is kind of a shame because you can do a lot with your website. Let's check out what else is on her website. You had this mural thing. Let's see. It's just real simple, about, contact. So nothing super drastic. It's really weird she looks like this. I would assume she looks different based on her looks in her videos, but she works in solo shows. But that does look like her. It's just she's aged a little bit. Everyone ages. Look different than when you're younger. So yeah, just a real simple kind of portfolio style website. There's not really a shop per se. which is probably because she's selling mostly in galleries, so she's just letting the galleries probably handle it. That's my guess on it. I'm not exactly sure, but you know, it would be nice to kind of see prints here and then let the gallery sell the originals, or I don't know, you could do originals and prints on the website, but probably I think she's at the gallery level and just let the galleries handle it. That's what I'm assuming, because if you look at her Instagram, she's still selling. She's obviously there, but it's more, you know, I think she just has her galleries going. That's my guess from just Berlin. That was like 13 weeks ago. She did a graffiti mural, so she's still very active on Instagram. She's just not really updating her website for some reason. But I guess that happens if you're just doing a portfolio version of your website. You're not going to really do more than that. I don't know, it's kind of like on the fence. It's kind of like the old style of doing it before, when the galleries had a lot of power. You would just post only your portfolio on your website and let the gallery kind of handle all the sales side. Very old school style. But if you are selling already in galleries, it's kind of like, what's the point of doing it on your side, on yourself? It's just more work for you, while you can just work on the painting and hand off the sales to someone else once you've kind of established your brand, which she obviously has. So probably at her level, maybe that makes sense just to have it kind of a gallery manage it. I think Banksy does the same thing. He's way even more popular, obviously. Damien Hirst, obviously super popular. Just let the galleries kind of farm out all the sales. So I guess at the higher levels, maybe you do that, the old school style of just galleries only. But you are setting yourself up for the risk of, if the gallery falls through, like maybe you're in 2 galleries and both of them go out of business, then you got to go find representation. Your sales come to 0. So it's kind of smarter, I think, to have like maybe a print side on the side for the prints, or maybe do prints and originals. You know, I just think that's a little smarter to be a little bit still in the business, I would say, maybe prints at least. But anyway, I mean, she's obviously a really great artist, probably easily selling. So, but I encourage you guys to go check her out. She has a lot of really cool videos. And if you like to subscribe, you can subscribe below. And I'll see you in the next Artist React video. Thanks for watching, guys.